Do your shoes stink like a freaking rotten egg? Do your shoes smell like dog shit? Do you have stanky ass feet that always ruin your kicks? Well, I have a solution for you. Yo, what's up guys? Back here with another video. Everything I just said was just as a joke. But yeah, I do have a solution. A quick, easy, cheap solution to maintain your shoes smelling nice. I kind of came across this on TikTok a long time ago, and this is what I do to keep my shoes always smelling very nice, very clean. I'm not gonna tell you to go spend $15, $20 on a product. That's not what I'm here for. Maybe if someone would sponsor me, maybe I would, but I don't have a sponsorship as of yet. But I will be showing you guys how you can maintain your kicks, your sneakers, your shoes, whatever you want to call them, your trainers, nice and fresh. So yeah, what I do is I have these dryer sheets, and these they're available at Walmart, Target, any convenience store. I bought these at the dollar store because I found out that they had these there, and they have a variety. You can choose from Gain, Bounce, when that's the only two you can remember. But yeah, these actually, what you do is you put them in the shoe. You can put one or two. I usually put one because they're not as bad. Well, they don't even smell bad. This is just how I maintain them from smelling bad. So what you do is you put these inside the shoe, leave them in overnight, and what you can also do, leave them in like an enclosed space where like if you have a box that's like a closed box, it maintains the smell trapped inside, so that way like all the good smelling particles stay within that enclosed area. But yeah, so let's go ahead and show you what I mean. Alright, so we have our shoes here. What I usually do, I just they're pretty big. The sheets are pretty big. That should cover up the whole shoe. But sometimes if your shoes do smell pretty bad, you might want to use two. So all you do, put that in there. Put that in one. The other one. And all you would do is just leave them wherever you usually leave your shoes. Leave them overnight, and by the morning you can take these out, and they are smelling a lot better. They might smell like laundry, but would you rather have your shoes smelling like laundry or like dog shit? Alright guys, so this is a cheap alternative method that I use to maintain my shoes smelling good and away from smelling like dog shit, because we don't want that. We want to smell nice for the ladies, for the boys, you know, for the fam, you know what I mean? But yes, you can go ahead and leave these overnight. The more times you do repeat this process, it will end up eliminating and canceling out that bad odor. And it is really cheap. I got those for like $1, so it's really how to maintain your shoes clean for $1. So yeah, the more times you do repeat this process, it will help out the bad odor for your sneakers. And if you're worried about it smelling like, if your shoes smelling like laundry all the time, trust me, like once you wear them a couple times and you've done this process, it'll just smell like a normal shoe. You won't always be smelling like laundry. But yeah, if this video did help you out, please make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe if you are new to the channel and would like to see new sneakers hacks, and how to maintain your shoes nice and crispy, nice and clean, smelling good. Leave comments down below that you do enjoy these type of videos, and if they do help. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.